Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson-TVMG. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by At Home with Mary and co-hosted by me, myself, and DIYing it. And this collaboration is called the Headbangers Tablescape 2020. The ladies wanted us to have fun with this one and make sure that we used a bandana or some kind of headband or scarf on our table. I was inspired by a scarf that I received from a plumbing fixture manufacturer, and it actually has faucets on the scarf, and I've used that on my lantern and on my centerpiece. And from that, I decided to go with a simple black, white, and silver tablescape. But to add a little fun to it, I wanted to add a little bit of color, so I decided to add a little green to this tablescape. I hope you like what I've done. Please make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit that bell twice and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And you guys, make sure to head over to At Home with Mary and me, myself, and DIYing it with Tammy. Head over to their channels, check out what they've done with their Headbangers Tablescape for 2020, and look at all of their other videos. These ladies do DIYs, tablescapes, thrifting hauls, regular shopping hauls. They do it all. And if you're not subscribed to their channels, you are missing out. Also, make sure you check out the playlist below to view all the other participants in this awesome challenge, and hit the hashtag listed below as well, and that hashtag is Bandanarama Tablescape 2020. Until next time, you guys.